How to clean the filters on your Shark cordless upright vacuum cleaner. This is called an IC160 in the UK or a P50 ION in the US and Australia. Firstly, you need to remove the battery to get access to this side panel filter, which is a HEPA filter. This catches the dust that would otherwise re-enter your room. Now this can be cleaned with a brush over a bin. If you haven't got a brush like this, just run your finger along the pleats and this will get rid of most of the dust. Put that to one side for now. The next filter is in here and it says to clean these monthly. So if you never have, you're going to have hardly any suction at all. So just pull these out like so. It's basically a sponge filter that sits on top of another filter. These are going to be just cleaned underneath a nice warm running tap. No detergents or anything on this, and we're just going to clean this filter the best we can, and the sponge one is nice and easy. Just keep on squeezing out the dust until the water runs clear. Then we're going to put them to one side because we need to dry these before we put them back onto the vacuum cleaner. The panel filter, that can just be rinsed in a similar fashion. No squeezing or anything, she'll damage the pleats. Just run it under the water until everything runs clear. Now we need to get these as dry as possible, as quickly as possible, so they don't start to smell. Dab them with some paper towel or a microfiber cloth, and then we're going to leave them to dry for 24 hours somewhere nice and warm, and then put them back onto your vacuum cleaner and your suction will be restored. Remember to do this every month. Also, whilst you're waiting for your filters to dry, why not clean your floor tool too? This next video will show you exactly how to do it without taking it apart. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please like the video if you found it helpful.